I am a Hangu pup. I am the reason why everybody else doesn't get sick. I am the arrival. I am the main dish. I am the plate. I am the snack you avoid but you need for survival. Food. I am the bouquet, the snack, the 3-meal course. I am the thing you lack for you to accomplish all them things because I am what? Legacy. I am blackness on a plate. I am African on a flight. I am African on the scene. And in case you don't recognize me, everybody else means pop. Therefore, culturally, they reference me for survival. I have arrived. I am the thing you need to sustain yourself, the nourishment you've been avoiding, the reality you've been neglecting, and in all honesty, even the water wishes it was me. Because like they say, even now we just arrived. No, honey, you didn't need to arrive. Thus, I am food. Thank you for the